Hi, my name is Geet Tandon and I am a data science intern at INAI. Today we are going to take a look at the Power BI dashboard in a day project in which we are going to build a dashboard. We have actually built a dashboard. We are going to take a look at it for the company manager. We are doing a manufacturer analysis and I'm going to take you through the dashboard first as in what these graphs are showing, what values are they showing, what is this, and then we'll go into deeper analysis for financial. So looking at the dashboard here, we can see this is the slicer as selected here. This is slicer. Here we can just click on the company's logos and change the whole values shown in the data frame because these are all connected. So let me just go back to financial now. Starting with this graph, starting with this revenue and previous year sales, we can see that this blue semicircle is actually the company's revenue, and this is the previous year sale. This black line here is the previous year sale and also the target value for the company to beat. This revenue by country is actually showing from which country the revenue of the company is coming from. And this table right here shows us from which category of the product this revenue is coming from. So we can see the category revenue and as urban, rural, and the GT revenue. This is the percentage of the revenue that is coming from urban or rural. So we can see in case of NHDL, 99.6% of the revenue is coming from urban. This column shows the previous year sales. This is the revenue in this year and growth. And this is the growth at 20.69% is sales as compared to the revenue with the previous year sales. Looking at the percentage and growth by year, here we can see all the revenues from different years for the company. From 2013 to 2020, we have these revenues uh, with all these values in millions, and this black line here is the percentage growth line, which shows how the percentage growth of revenue is affected, whether it is increasing or decreasing on year-to-year basis. So the revenue is increasing, but this line shows by which percentage it is increasing or decreasing. This right here is the narrative which just shows in written format what is happening in the whole dashboard. Now this initial state button is whatever we select in this dashboard, it will just by clicking on it we can just go back to the initial state we started the dashboard from. Now looking at the Vanasdal company for deeper analysis or the manufacturer analysis, we can see the target sales was 912 million and the revenue for this company is 1.1 billion, so it has beaten its target. Looking at the revenue by country, we can see most of the revenue is coming from USA and then Australia and then Japan and Germany and so on. Looking at this, we have already taken a look at this that the 99.6% of the revenue is coming from urban area and rest from rural. This is the previous year sales, this is the growth, and we can see 20.69% in urban area is the growth for Vanastel. Also looking at the revenue and percentage by growth, so we can see for 2020 to 2020 the revenue is increasing, but as after 2016 the percentage growth has decreased, but now fortunately for the company it is on a increasing trend. We have talked about this, and going back, this is the initial state. Let me give you an example of how we use this initial state. So suppose for Venezuela, if we want to take a look at Australia, these are the buttons, these are drill down buttons, so that we can drill down into the countries. So we are just, after clicking this button, we are just going to click into Australia. This will show us all the states. These are the Australian states and all the sales, the revenue coming from these country and from the Australian states. These are the values, and we can see here all the values because this dashboard is all connected, so every value will change according to the selection. Now if we just click at this CTRL plus click here to follow link, this. When I click on this, it will just take me back to the initial state as we saw for Wednesday. So also looking these four are the top competitors for Wednesday. That is why we are also looking at their performance as well. There is one thing to note that all the competitors for Wednesday have reached their target sales, overall target sales if we look at. But Venezuela is still way above, way ahead than all of its competitors. These are the top competitors of Venezuela. So this is the report on manufacturer analysis for Venezuela company, and thank you for your time.